You use Google every day. You search for answers, you search for solutions, you search for funds, and you search to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make big money online? Yes. There's a website that pays you to just search Google. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, or your computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed, from the beach. You can do it while waiting in line. You can do it on your ride home. You can do it literally anywhere you want to, as long as you have access to the internet. And if you watch this video until the end, I will explain step by step how to do this. So you can start making money right now. But before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys are asking why I'm sharing these methods with you. Like, why don't I just keep them for myself and make money? I'm doing this to help you because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling to make money online. And I already have my own business model that makes a lot more money. And when I say a lot more, I literally mean like $700,000 in 13 months or something like that. So the first step for you is just to open up Google and leave it like that. Now the main website that we will be using combined with Google to make money online is going to be Minesumo.com. And you try to figure it out on your own. You will not know what to do, but I'm going to show you this simple Google check that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with mine. Now, I'm going to show you how to combine those two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I'm also going to explain how this works, and if you follow each and every step, you will be ready to make money. As you can see, Minesumo.com has been working with some of the biggest companies in the world. So you know they've been working with Pepsi and Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and much, much more. These are some of the biggest companies in the entire world, and take a look at how much is there to be made. Like one simple search can be this. There's a lot of money to be made here. You will just need to sign up to Minesumo.com, and you might be asking, how do you do that? Well, you click here where it says login/sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, just click on this one right here so you can sign up for absolutely free. Just enter your first name, your last, your country, your email address, and then you will create a unique password. And then you also like your birthday. Next is to select your gender, and then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas. And so, you will need to select from creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now, this is really optional, but I recommend you select something like average proficiency or above average proficiency, regardless of what your skills actually are. This is going to give you higher chances of making more money. So, I would select average proficiency. You don't have to click these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list. And that's obviously not what you want. You don't want any spam emails or whatsoever. So you would just need to click these 2 boxes to accept their terms and conditions along with their privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2. After that, just click on I'm not a robot and just click sign up. And now you have an account in Minesumo.com. You're going to be able to see all these different challenges, questions, and projects, which you can answer and get paid for doing. So you can see they're paying all the way from a couple of hundreds of dollars, all the way up to thousands of dollars. And here on the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories, which you can select. So there is definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website. Since there are new questions, new projects, and new coming in every single day. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Now, let me just show you some products. If I open up, for example, this one over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making with this challenge alone. You can see that this is their total budget, and here are the results of this project. Sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that. So stick with me so I can show you that simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search on Google. Anyways, I want you to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computers. Tie-ins, then just select any of these projects you like, and you will enter that project. As you can see, they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer, and we have a chance to win this amount of money. So, what's that Google trip? Well, here's what you will need to do. You'll need to copy this question right here, then go over to Google and paste the question right here. So, we can find an answer here on Google. So, you can go through all of these articles. And for example, open up this one and try to find if there is an answer to our questions. And you can see that this is exactly what we're looking for. They're giving us examples on this one. And this is a really, really professional answer. They will most likely win one of the top shares on here. And you saw how easy that was. All I did was copy the question. Then I just went over to Google. I searched for that question and now I have an answer over here. The next thing I need to do is to edit the answer a little bit. So to do that, I go back to Google and I search for Google Docs and I will click on blank right here. Then go back to Then you can copy and paste some of the answers. Hey, some right here. Go back to copy another one. So the longer the answer, the better for you and the higher the chances of you making money. If your answer is more profound, or if your answer is longer and now you can, of course, edit this, you can change the font. You can change the colors. You can maybe change. For example, instead of this, I can just select it and I can change it to blue. And I can maybe change that part to bold or something like that. As you can see, it's fully customizable and it's really, really easy. So just search for the answer on Google, edit it in Google Docs. And once you're done, just click. Go to download and download it as a PDF document. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this. And as you can see, this is a really, really professional. Once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and you will submit the answer and you will most likely be in a share on the money from this question. Now, bear in mind, you will not win the full money. You will need to share that with other participants. But as you saw, it was really, really easy. And it took me less than 5 minutes to find the answer on. Now I have a chance to win hundreds of dollars for absolutely free. So all you need to do is just search on Google for the answer, find the answer. And once you found that, I just need to click on this. I have an idea and then log into my account, enter my email, address my password, and submit the answers. So that's how easy it is just by searching on. There's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not guaranteed that you will always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it takes you just a couple of minutes to search in Google. It's really easy. And as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. And that is it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you in the next.